and welcome to an introduction to online learning. My name is Todd McLeod, and you are in an awesome class. You're going to learn a lot of really cool things to help you be a more successful online student. But not only that, you're going to be a more successful student overall, everywhere, in any class, whether it's online or in the classroom. After you've taken this class, you're going to learn some skills which are going to help you everywhere in online classes, in in-person classes, and just in general in life. So I've got really a lot of great material here for you to take a look at. Let's do a little walkthrough of this course so you could see kind of the layout of our class. You are looking at the Blackboard screen. At this first page, we have announcements. If there are any announcements, when you first log into Blackboard and click on the link to come into our class, which you have already found your way to, congratulations for making it that far. The first page you'll see is the announcements page. Generally speaking, this is what you're going to see. Next thing you want to do is you want to read the syllabus. Click on this link over here for the syllabus. Then click Read the Syllabus. The syllabus is a really important document. You should read the syllabus in every class you take. The syllabus is going to tell you what I expect of you as an instructor. It is your agreement. It is the agreement between the students and the instructor as to what is going to be covered, what's going to be done in a class, and how a student is going to earn their grade. So it's super important to read the syllabus. I've highlighted the parts you absolutely should pay attention to in my syllabus. So take a look at that. The final day, the class deadline for doing all your work in this class is November 15th, 2013. You might be watching this class in a different semester, right? So make sure you look at the syllabus to see what date is listed as the class deadline. There are no deadlines for anything else in the class. You just need to make sure you do all of the work by this date. That's the only deadline in the class. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to come down here to lectures and quizzes, and I put together a bunch of cool lectures for you. And I've associated quizzes with most of those lectures. So you'll watch the lecture and then you will take the quiz. What does that look like? Required skills of online students. Here's the first lecture. It says watch this lecture first, then click the required skills of online students link above, that link, to take the quiz associated with this lecture. All right, so I'm going to click this link, watch this lecture first, and it'll launch the lecture. I don't have any sound because I turned my microphone off. And then once I've taken the, once I watch the lectures, I'm going to click on this link to take the quiz, and it'll launch the quiz. And I click begin, and it'll ask me questions. So I have 6 questions in this quiz. I answer the question, and I just click this little button over here to go to the next. It says moving to another question will save this response. You don't have to hit save response every time. You just go to the next question, because when you move to another question, it saves the response. So that's how you watch the lectures and you take the quizzes. So you want to watch all these lectures here. Some of the lectures, like this one, does not have a quiz associated with it. And at the very end, you have a link to all of the lectures. If you just want to kind of pass these lectures on to a friend or something, you could send them the link to this right here, and it takes you to all of the lectures. Pretty cool. The next thing you want to do is we've got some assignments in here, and again, there are video lectures for each of the assignments, so you need to do each of these assignments, and to figure out how to do the assignment, it says watch this video to see how to do it. So every assignment has a video associated with it, so you click the link to watch the video, and here you go. Right, so it'll show you how to do the assignment, and then you do the assignment, and you click on this link right here to submit the assignment. Right, so I come in here and I might need to attach a file, and I choose browse my computer to do that. So I do all the assignments, and then I come into discussions, and I'm going to post. I need to post one time, at least one time, to the official class discussion to get credit. So I'm going to go, and the discussion question is, please post this discussion telling us about your goals for coming to college. So I'll click official class discussion. I will either create a new thread, or I will click on a discussion that's already there, and I will hit reply. Either way, right? And then I post in my thoughts and hit submit. So that's how I do the discussions. Here's the final. You'll take the final just by clicking on that link. All of the quizzes and the final you could take as many times as you'd like, and the computer will always keep your highest score. Likewise, the assignments, if you make a mistake, you could just submit your assignment again, and the computer, again, will always keep whatever is your highest score, whatever high score I've assigned to you, the computer will always keep that. You can click here to see your grade in the class. So that is the class. It's pretty dang awesome. You're going to learn some great stuff, and I'm glad you're here, and I am here to help you. So if you have any questions, email me, or on the syllabus, you'll find my phone number. You could call me during office hours, or you could go to the Tutorial Center on Fresno City College's campus if you need help, and they have help there, pretty much all the hours that Fresno City College is open. So the Tutorial Center is just next to the library, and if you go in there, there are people there who could help you with hands-on skills to get things done. So the Tutorial Center on Fresno City College's campus is a great resource to know about. I encourage you to take advantage of it. Welcome to class. Let's get started.